guys, so I guess I'm doing an unboxing today. I don't even know what I'm unboxing, but my mom just came in here and brought me this box, and so yeah. This video is a little bit chaotic. It's because, oh my gosh, it's because all the little birds are out. Now I'm gonna start with the card. Open it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
On it.
Oh. Hope you had a great Christmas and a lot of fun presents. Here is another one for you and your house full of birds. There are tons of goodies for them. Hope you love all of them, and please let us know which one is your favorite.
Ooh, it sounds like there's more than one thing in this box.
Oh, there's a cup. Oh my gosh.
This is not the cutest thing you've ever seen.
For me.
She's like, why is the bird blue? I'm green.
You like it, Brittany?
Oh, what is that?
It's a fidget.
Really?
Yeah, so, oh my gosh. Some kid at my school has this. So this one's a lot cuter. You can't open it. Avery, stop. It's like, you hang it on your bag and then you do that. Look at how cute it is. Ow! Wait, can you hold it? Affirmation stickers. What's this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that one.
Oh, it's a cake. Let's put them out here so we can like cut to a clip of them.
Ready? Oh my
Is that
gosh.
a bookmark?
Yes.
I want that. That is so precious.
Don't destroy it. Stop.
She's really mad that it's budgies, not parrotlets.
Is this a portable charger? Oh. What is this? Phone gripper? What? Oh. Wait, it's like. Oh, wait, I think I know how you use it. I want to try this.
It goes on the outside of your case.
No. I don't think, oh, I thought this part went inside first. Oh.
Look.
I have a customized phone now. Out of all the stuff that I got gifted, I think my favorite thing was probably this cup. I use cups like this literally every single morning, so I'm super excited to have my morning chai in this. Thank you, Floofy Flock, for all of these amazing gifts. I love them all so, so, so much. And if you guys want anything from Floofy Flock, the link will be in the description. Bye, guys!
Avery, you missed the unboxing. You were too busy flying around.